Hey there, amazing viewers. Welcome to Entire Solutions. Today we are going to start our journey to mastering SEO. This is the first part of our SEO tutorials where we are diving into the world of digital success. But before we dive in, if you are enjoying the content, consider supporting us. Your contributions mean a lot to us. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for updates. Now, let's talk about something crucial for every content creator out there: search engine optimization, or as we like to call it, the magic pointer for your content. SEO is not just a fancy term, it's the key to getting your content noticed. Imagine this: you are creating fantastic videos, but they are lost in the vast sea of content on the internet. SEO is what makes sure your masterpiece doesn't go unnoticed. By optimizing your content, you are telling search engines, hey, I have got some valuable here. It's like a virtual handshake with algorithms. Keywords, tags, and metadata. These are not just buzzwords, they are the building blocks of search engine optimization. In this tutorial, we will guide you to understand how to use them strategically. You are essentially giving your content a roadmap to success. We reach out to some incredible creators who have mastered the art of SEO. Stay tuned for the insights because trust me, you don't want to miss that. But hold on, there's more. We will be exploring the latest SEO tools and techniques to boost your content. Consider this your backstage pass to the digital red carpet. And that's a wrap for today's deep dive into the search engine optimization universe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow creators, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell icon for more insightful content. Remember, the journey to digital stardom begins with the understanding and mastering SEO. Now, it's your turn. Go out there, optimize, and let your content shine.